First of all, allow me to extend congratulations to you, the Speaker and the second Deputy Speaker, for being elected as our leaders in this House. Honorable Minister of Gender, I want to thank you for a very good statement. Many people would like to comment on issues to do with other sectors, and they don't prioritize issues with disability. But you have given us a very good statement on persons with disability, and I want to thank you. You have also highlighted quite a number of affirmative actions that the ministry is doing, which is commendable. I would like, therefore, want to extend and ask if indeed the affirmative action would go and ensure a right to education is indeed achieved. We have seen, for instance, persons with albinism have got an issue with their visual, how they're able to read, and when it's time for exams, they are given the very same time with people that are able to read, and their concentration therefore affects them. Are you going, Honorable Minister, for instance, to go a mile and allow persons with albinism, young people, young children, even to be allocated a bit more time during exams so that their right to education is not denied just because they are visually impaired? Secondly, Right Honorable Speaker, through you, I want to, sorry, my sister Sidna Bange, that's why it's Sankasu. I want to know if indeed
Honourable members to my right, allow me to listen from Doha East in silence.
And Honourable Speaker, maybe because I am addressing you, I will not respond to that, but I am so much thanking the Honourable Minister for a beautiful statement she has given. And there's no crime for me to ask a question, to say I didn't do something, therefore I should not ask. I have the right as a Malawian, and I will ask any question. And no one is going to stop me asking any question. And that one, I tell you, I'll do that. Yeah, no one is going to ask me what to say. If you read what I've said, I've commended the minister and I've not committed any crime. And you cannot tell me to stop asking questions.
Point of order.
I represent Doha East and I will not stop doing that. Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker. Another affirmative action I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, adding from what, if there will be indeed an affirmative action in recruitment. We have seen persons with albinism being recruited in police and others. But if you walk around Parliament, you will not find any person with albinism. You will look at all other places. Would you, Honorable Minister, with this good statement, consider giving more affirmative actions so that we include persons with albinism in recruitment and making sure they're enjoying the right for being Malawians? Right Honorable Speaker, finally, to thank you for giving Doha East and recognizing that as Doha East, I'll ask questions like any other person in this House. Thank you so much,
Thank you very much, Honourable Member. Mwanza Central. Mwanza Central.
I see the leader is standing.
Point of order.
Okay. Thank you very much. Second.
Point of order. Point of order.
Honourable Member, what has gone out of order?
Yes, the minister gave the statement, but it is not yet circulated. So some of the information that she presented, we are unable to to put them together, so wanted it, if she can do it so that we contribute it for the sake of some of our friends who are just joining us. Thank you.
Taken. Honourable member for...
Rumpi East.
Is that another point of order?
Yes, Honorable.
Okay.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker, sir. Is it in order that the member just asking the Minister of Gender now from Doha?
Point of order cannot reflect on a member who did not make any statement. The honourable member in question from Doha, was that Doha East?
Yes.
Was only asking a question, did not make any statement.
No, the question, he pointed out that in the minister's statement, she didn't mention on how to promote people with albinism to be part of this house. So is it in order that they had a member who was campaigning under the party, he's of an albinism, but they didn't support that member to retain
Thank you very much.
Is it in order?
Thank you very much. That point of order is not sustained. All questions, honourable members, all questions on a statement should be addressed to the honourable minister. Can we conclude with the remaining two questions that I already... Mwanza Central.
Thank you very much. Second, first, Deputy Speaker, I have two questions. Honourable Minister, thanks for presenting a very well elaborate statement. I have two questions. I want to find out, you have mentioned about disability fund. As members of parliament, how do we facilitate the process of our constituents accessing that fund? Because sometimes when we do it at the district council, most of the times they tell us that there are no funds. So would you please provide guidelines on how we can facilitate that process? The second question is, most of the times people with disabilities are provided with equipment, mainly tricycles. But when it comes to maintenance, it becomes a problem because most of the times they don't have resources. And if they cannot manage to mobilize from within their cycle, the equipment is left without being maintained, and they go back to the normal way of doing things. So I just wanted to find out, as members of parliament, how do we access funding for such equipment, if at all there is any funding? Last one, sorry, I have three. I have some two girls. They were selected to a secondary school in Cheo because we don't have one in Mwanza, and they are at a they are doing self-boarding, so they have to, have maize and other food items. But sometimes it becomes a problem. It may be a situation with many people with such disabilities. So I'm speaking on behalf of the rest. Is there any provision in your ministry or that we can access from our councils to assist such students, because they are suffering? Sometimes they don't go to school because their parents cannot afford to provide food for them as they go to school. Thank you very much, Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much.